brioche purl, yarn over, brioche purl, and then slip the stitch from the needle. Put the yarn in front of the work. We slip purlwise the first brioche stitch. After that, we have these 2 brioche stitches that we're working on, and you put the needle behind this first stitch and insert it into the second stitch. And then as you do that, you take off that stitch, and you, since the second one is already on the right hand needle, we just insert this first one onto the left needle, and we purl that stitch. And after that we have to pass over these first 2 stitches that we have slipped. So that's 1, and there goes the second one, and there it is, the brioche purl left slant decrease. Brioche purl a right slant decrease here, and for that we just put the yarn in front of the work and brioche purl these 2 stitches together, change the mount of the next stitch, slip just with the yarn in front, slip the stitch to the left needle and pass over that stitch, and in the end slip the stitch to the right needle, and you can just control this tension of the stitch.